Hello everyone, welcome to Falcon Stockographics, and today we will be discussing about the stock of Indian Railway Finance Corporation. Now, Indian Railway Finance Corporation or IRFC provides financial assistance for business, housing, property and for personal financial needs. Current market price of the stock is rupees 20.10 rupees. Market capitalization is of more than 26,000 crores. 1 year high of the stock is rupees 26.45 while low is of rupees 19.30 rupees. Shareholding pattern of the company is promoters have 86.36%, FIs have barely 1% and DIIs have 3.20%. Others, that means publics and others, have 9.35% of the shareholding of this company. Now let's have a standalone analysis of IRFC. Now if we see the shareholders funds and debts over the years of the company, the debts and shareholders funds have risen over the years. In 2016-17, the capital of the company was 5483.14 crores, which rose to 40,996.34 crores. On the other hand, the long-term debt of the company was 1,02,479.62 crores, and on the other hand, in the year of 2021-22, the long-term debt of the company was 3,88,416.61 crores. Annual revenues from operations of IRFC is in the year 2016-17, the annual revenues from operations was 9,046 crores, while in the year 2021-22, it was 20,298 crores. If we see from the last 5-6 years, the revenues have more than doubled. Now here, as we can see, the annual net profit of the company, IRFC company, has rose by nearly 6 times. In the year 2016-17, the annual net profit of the company was 933 crores, while in 2021-22, it is 6,089 crores, which is a quite an impressive increase. If we see the quarterly revenues from operations of the company, we can see that there has been quite a stability. In the December 2020 quarter, it was 3932 crores, while in March 2022 quarter, it was 5095 crores. There is an increasing trend as we can see here, but with a stable increase. If we see the quarterly net profit of the company, in September 2020, it was 1046 crores, while in March 2022, it was 1492 crores. Now, if we see the return on equity of the company, in March 2017, it was 7.77%, while in March 2022, it was approximately 15%. As you can see here, there has been increase in the equity returns of the company. And when it comes to debt to equity ratio, in this aspect also, there has been improvement. In March 2017, the debt to equity ratio was 8.53, while in March 2022, debt to equity was 4.74. If we see the earnings per share of the company, in 2016-17, it was 1.43, while in 2021-22, it was 4.66. There has been threefold increase in EPS of the company. Now when it comes to technical indicators, here we can see that the stock is somewhat bearish according to technical indicators. The stock has crossed a 20-day moving average, that is 19.88 level, while the 50-day moving average of the stock is 2.67. So if you want to trade or invest, let the stock cross 50-day moving average at about 20.67 levels. If we see the Fibonacci ratio of the stock, the level of 786 is at 20.84 and the lowest point, that is the level of 1, is at 19.34. So if you want to invest, then the stock must cross the 0.786 level with volumes, that is which is at 20.84 rupees. Now if you see the technical level of the company, the stock seems to be highly bearish. As we have seen from the chart, the stock has not given any decisive moves, neither upward or downward. It has came downwards, but it has not been decisive move. The stock is very much slow moving, as we have observed from the chart. If you want to trade or invest in the stock, please do it in bulk, because trading in small amount in the stock will be a time waste. Now, if you want to like short-term returns, then this stock is not suitable for you. Like if you want a high amount of return, then from this stock, this should not be expected. Now, if you even if you want to invest in the stock, then please do not invest heavily, as this is a slow-moving stock, and if you want a high amount of return, then please go for other stocks. But this is a good stock, but please don't invest heavily. The technical indicators are very much negative. But on the other side, if we see, the net revenues of the company have increased significantly, 37.88% annually, that is from previous years. There has been stability in profits. EPS has increased, as we have seen from the chart. EPS has grown by 3 times from approximately 5 to 6 years. The debt to equity ratio has decreased, which is again a positive sign. The return on equity and return on capital employed have considerably improved in the stock. And as the majority of the stake in the stock is held by Government of India, it is relatively safe to invest. And in the future, if there is any news on divestment, then this stock will definitely give high amount of returns. So in the end, thank you. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Take care. Have a nice day.